Good morning, students. Today we will learn present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. Before I start today's class, once again, one or two of you have sent me query regarding your project work. So project work is means so far I understood you all are taking it as stress. So it's my request to not take it as stressful something, just do the way you like. Okay, means you need to do it with happiness. You need to be happy while doing this. So if you think it's providing stress to you, then you are free to do as per your convenience. This much only I can say. You can do it the way you feel like. Okay, so today we will learn present perfect continuous, and in parallel we will learn past perfect continuous as well. So present perfect continuous. When do we use present perfect continuous? Present perfect continuous is generally used when a certain work that has been started earlier and it's still continuing, or it still have its explanation or result in continuation. In such cases we use generally present perfect continuous. For example, I have been teaching tense for last 4 days. Okay, so in a particular time, obviously, if we take, see here you can get the sentence structure as subject plus have or has as per subject, then been, then verb with ing, and then there should be time period, and for that you can use since or for or any in this way, in like this. So this is the sentence structure of present perfect continuous. Now past perfect continuous, what will be it? So you need to change only this, and this will become I had been doing the work for last 3 months. So you can see that here only the as you all have already learned, we need to take the past form of have or has. Okay, now if we have to, for this one I will be saying for both the cases though. So if we have to change it into negative, how will it be? I have not been teaching and whatever it is. Okay, now in order to make it interrogative, what will it be? Have will come at the very beginning of the sentence, and then subject, when that means I, then been, as per this sentence, whatever it is, and at the end note of interrogation. I hope all of you have understood this. Okay, so we need to only place have at the very beginning of the sentence, and then we need to jot down the sentence as it is in main sentence. So in case of past perfect continuous, what will it be? I had been doing the work for last 3 months. So what will be? I had not been doing, and whatever it is, and in order to make it interrogative, what will it be? Had I been doing the work and punctuation at the end. So this is the structure. So I hope all of you have understood this. Okay, you can get it. It's very clearly and nicely explained in your book as well. And as you all, if you all have, I believe you all have followed all the classes as it took place since beginning. So now also I think you all can yourself only understand all the things. I hope it's clear by now to you all. Okay, now you need to do one thing, that is you need to do the work that is given in your study material part. You need to open your study material first and you need to do those work as it is given. Though I just want to make you understand right now. Today I faced a lot of network problem, and there was a lot of problem regarding taking online classes as well. So I am trying, to upload all those things. In case if it does, it gets somehow the line gets interrupted, or if I cannot do the work, if I cannot submit, so you can do the exercise. Today we are going to do is page number 105, exercise E, and page number 110, exercise C. These two we are going to do today. So I request all of you, if I will be trying my level best to upload the worksheet. If by any chance if it becomes not possible for me, please do follow page 105 and 110. Now you need to do the work by your own self, and then you need to match your answer with the answer of the answer that will be discussed by me. I hope all of you will do that. Now we will be discussing that fill in the blanks with correct tense form, present perfect or present perfect continuous. We have learned present perfect tense on the previous day, and today we are going to learn present perfect continuous. Okay, so the first exercise is the first sentence, number 1. I think the waiters forget dash about us. We dash for 20 minutes and nobody dash us the menu yet. So the first will be, I think the waiters has forgotten about us. We have been waiting for 20 minutes and nobody has given us the menu yet. So nobody has given us the menu yet. Number 2. I have been, here I use within bracket and the same bike for 5 years. Means I am still using the same bike. Now that's why it will be, as I told, a work that has started earlier but the result continues. So in such case we generally use present perfect tense. That's why here it will be, I have been using the same bike for 5 years. I am thinking of buying a new one. Number 3. She dashed me since I was a child. As we told, certain verbs are there, they will not have ing with them. That's why here we will make it present perfect, and it will be, she has known me since I was a child. Now number 4. Rahul dash in the USA for 2 years. And he still has another year to go. Means there is the work has started earlier. He's studying at studying in a different place has started earlier, but he is still there. Means the result is still in process. That's why it will be, Rahul has been studying in the USA for 2 years. He still has another year to go. Number 5. How long dash tennis? You are really good. Means someone is a very good tennis player. So obviously it will be, have you been playing? How long have you been playing tennis? You are really good. Number 6. How he dash since I last saw him. How he has grown since I last saw him. So the answer will be has grown. Number 7. I dash to reach my mother on phone for the last hour, but I dash any success. Now see here, you can find it a bit different for the second option, but we don't have any other option because the person now let me tell the answer, then I will explain the answer. I have been trying to reach my mother on phone for last hour, but the person, the speaker, did not get success. Now here we are asked to form it with present perfect or present perfect continuous. Now here we have only one option, that we can do it with present perfect. So but as per the sentence, have not, we need to fill it up. So we can just simply place one had along with it in order to in order to fill it up. So the answer will be, I have been trying to reach my mother on phone for last hour, but I have not had any success. Okay, I have not had any success. Now number 8. Where dash means where have you been? U and B is already given. We dash for you everywhere. We have been looking for you everywhere. Now we will focus on the question exercise B, and that is we need to fill in the blanks with the correct tense form, past perfect or past perfect continuous. So the first sentence was given, it was midnight and I was dead tired because I dashed since morning. I had been working since morning. Number 2, the temperature dash below freezing point before they even started climbing. So obviously had fallen, the temperature had fallen below freezing point before they even started climbing. Number 3, the baby dashed for an hour and we were all at our wits' end. Means the baby had been crying. The baby had been crying for an hour and we were all at our wits' end. Number 4, the broken lock indicated that someone dashed to break in. Someone had tried to break in. Number 5, by the time I reached there, the movie dash. The movie had already started. Number 6, Nina dash all morning before her friends cheered her up. Nina had been mopping all morning before her friends cheered her up. So this is so we have completed, these are the answers. So we have completed present tense and past tense. Okay, only future tense left that we will be doing on the next day. As I told, due to this network problem, I faced a lot of problem regarding this. I had a mind to complete it today, but I couldn't. And now you need to do one thing, that you need to do all the worksheets as you all have done. Someone has asked me where to do. See, I think you all have your school exercise book. If you do not have, so whatever you have for present situation, you can manage with that. And someone has asked me about that model and all. For that I have already told, I have become a bit flexible in this case. That's why you can do it in chart also you can do. For verbs, if you face problem regarding that preposition, you can give a second thought to verb. So you can include verbs in a chart and you can just jot down and you can provide some examples. In this way, I think you all can do. I believe that it will be somehow helpful. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.